Amazon laundry room favorites. First is this closed drying rack that folds back to save space. Never buy dryer sheets again with these fabric softening reusable wool balls. And last, we love this magnetic bin for throwing away dryer lint.
If your detergent container looks anything like this, where it's just a mess and dripping everywhere, you need this little tidy cup shelf. It snaps onto the top of the detergent and it catches any drips or spills so you don't have a huge mess. This is one of my favorite products. It gets the wrinkles out of your clothes, especially if you are in a hurry and your shirt is super wrinkly. You just spray it directly onto your clothes, kind of pat it out. Wrinkles will come right out. It is seriously amazing.
Keep your laundry room more organized with these magnetic lint and sock bins. This laundry turtle collects all of your laundry with a half turn in your dryer without losing any of your items going from dryer to drawers. This delicates bag protects your undergarments in the wash and doubles as a travel organizer. This hamper collapses for easy storage in small spaces, and turn any flat surface in your home into an ironing board with this magnetic ironing mat.
First up is this magnetic door stopper that attaches right to the washing machine, easy to move around, and it props the door open to help air it out so it doesn't produce mold or mildew. And next are these acrylic turntables for organizing detergents or cleaning supplies. I also love this detergent, it's my absolute favorite, it smells amazing. And lastly is this handheld portable steamer. I like that it's small and doesn't take up a bunch of room, and it's super easy to use.
Amazon laundry finds. First up is this trash can cabinet. It looks like a beautiful piece of furniture, but the inside is perfect for 2 large laundry baskets. As an added bonus, there's drawers at the top so you can add extra storage to the space. Our old house lacks storage, so this has been one of my favorite finds. Next up are these collapsible laundry baskets. This is the perfect way to have plenty of laundry baskets in your house without having a huge stack of them to store. They collapse down flat so they store easily, so you can easily have enough baskets to do all of your laundry. And last, if you're looking for a more traditional laundry basket, I absolutely love this one. Inside are 2 bags that are easy to remove, which makes it easy enough for even my toddlers to carry their laundry downstairs. The bags themselves are washable and they're a great find.